Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get refund from Expedia car rental now as soon as possible. Contact their customer support. You need to call them at this number +1 888 970 9097. This is their number. Go ahead and call them and explain that you're requesting a refund for a car rental cancellation. Now you need to have your reservation details readily available. They'll ask you things like your booking confirmation number, right? And Expedia will basically check if your car rental booking is actually refundable based on the rental company's policy. And if it's refundable and you canceled within the allowed time frame, that's why I want you to call as soon as possible. You may actually receive a full refund if that is the case. And if it's non-refundable, Expedia will explore other options such as a credit for future bookings. And if Expedia by any chance, guys, does not process the refund as expected, or if you believe the charge is incorrect, you can always consider disputing the payment. You just contact your bank or credit card company to initiate a chargeback. That is the safest way. Okay, Expedia can also assist you with the dispute process, so you can reach out to their customer support for guidance. And if you're disputing a payment, guys, of course, be prepared. Provide any documentation related to your case, such as cancellation confirmations, emails, or any other relevant documents, okay? And information. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.